Yo, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are hydro dipping my fidget spinner. So today we have, and I'm with Mr. Charizard. We have gloss purple, and what is that?
Satan Lagoon.
Satan Lagoon. Okay, so you want to shake it up, and we have warm water here in this ice cream bucket. Okay. So, you can keep shaking them. What you want to do is take your bearings out of your fidget spinner just like that. So let's do this. There we go. So I have all of them out except for the middle one. Now I actually lost one of my caps. So I'm just going to do it with one cap. But I'm not going to hydro dip that cap. Oh shoot, I should have taken that cap off first. There we go. So as you guys can see, I have all my bearings out. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and the cap. No, yeah, 4. Okay, so now I just have my spinner, yeah. Okay, so let's...
I got mine also.
You just squeeze it? Yep, okay. Okay, so, here, don't spray it yet, don't spray it yet. You want to back away just a little bit and spray it into the water. There we go. Okay, back away. Like, put it closer down. Whoa. Did I get it on your face?
Did it?
I don't know.
I can't see. I don't know, did it?
Oh, no, a little more purple. I don't know. Okay, there. And then what we want to do is...
mix it up?
Oh, can you go get the gloves?
Oh, yeah.
Here, let me pause it. Okay, so we're back. We got the gloves. And I actually just tested it on the stick, and it looks like it's going to work pretty cool. So, let's try to get all these gloves on.
Hope I can cover my watch. Actually, I'll just move my watch back to like my arm. Actually, I think I'll take it off.
Yeah.
If I can with these stinking gloves on.
I almost got this glove on.
Ah! I can't even get my... Try. I can't.
Just... That's good. That's good on you. Your fingers are just small, so... It's like that. Let's get my last one on.
No, like, take my watch off.
Oh.
Ow! Hurts. Hurts and... Dang it, it locked. I think I can take it off.
Here. You just gotta do that. Push that. Go back. There you go. You wanna hydro dip your watch?
Oh yeah, totally.
You wanna? We could do like the straps.
Does it like work?
Yeah, it would work.
Do you think his ears would be okay with this?
I don't know.
Or is that the watch you gave?
That's the watch I gave him. You wanna?
Yeah.
Okay.
I can try it.
Gonna do it first.
Do I like drop
Look how cool that looks.
Do I like drop the whole thing in?
Nah, here. Okay, we're hydro dipping the watch first. Okay, you ready? You see all that stuff? It's not a loner anymore, right?
So we putting the whole thing in? Oh my god. Yeah.
Whoa.
I don't know what just happened.
Me neither.
I think all the spray paint dried. I don't know if my watch is hydro dipped. I think it's just like
Kind of
spray
is.
paint.
Here. Let's spray some more in and put the front in. Like,
You just dip it in more water?
yeah, that's what I'm trying to do right now. Like, it's gonna look cool.
I hope.
Okay. I know you like this blue. Okay, Okay, let's try to do one side blue.
Yeah.
Just like see if it's good yet.
I think it should be.
Okay, ready? No, whoa!
Oh my!
Get a stick so we can poke
Okay,
the
make
holes.
sure you're not getting that on your guys' clothes.
We're not. Get a stick, like a little
Yeah, like this.
not too big, so we can do like.
So we can like poke the hole back in.
I need a
This-
smaller one.
My dad, I don't know.
It looks cool. Let's poke these holes. It's crazy. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Yo, that looks cool.
I know.
You wanna do the other side now or no?
Other side purple.
Okay. That looks so cool.
I really want to have this watch now.
Well, good thing it's yours, huh?
Yeah.
That looks cool. Look at that, guys. So it's like black and just wait till it dries. Just wait till it dries. I stand to that side because the wind's blowing this way. You got to push the middle of it. Woo! There you go. Okay, that's good. That's good. Woo! Okay, you ready?
That's like big purple.
Yeah. Okay, stop, stop. It's almost done. Push this back this way a little.
This is gonna look so cool.
Good thing this watch is waterproof.
Yeah.
Oh, that looks awesome.
Yeah. It's just blue and purple. And
That looks cool.
this is how you work a fidget spinner
So
on
that's
your
how it
fingers.
Okay, so let's go
Ba, ba,
set
ba.
this out somewhere, like
I
in the
don't-
sun. Okay, now let's spray a little bit of blue. Okay, let's just wait a little bit. Where's my? Oh, there it is.
This is mentally what's supposed to be for his fidget spinner.
But Mr. Charter just had a watch with him. Okay,
I always wear it.
that looks good. Okay, you ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh my.
Whoa, that looks cool.
You basically just dipped it in all of like somewhat paint.
It is paint, spray paint.
Yeah, paint plus spray paint.
This looks cool.
Yeah.
Just wait, you guys. Just wait.
Just wait.
Oopsie.
Bah. And then kabah.
Okay. Whoa, that looks awesome.
I would just said in water.
Here, let me just like get it over in there and stuff. Okay, so. Whoa.
I feel like watch.
It's already
Just
drying,
gonna
guys. It is already
Hydro
drying.
dipped equals.
That's how it looks.
Awesome.
You guys can't see, so I'll show you.
Let's go.
Try this. Did you pause the video?
Sorry.
Okay, guys, so that's drying right now. I'm just gonna take my gloves off.
Yeah. I think this was a really cool experience.
Yep. Now when you, mine are just a little purple.
Mine aren't at all.
I'm not having
Whoa.
that on. Whatever though. Okay. Wait. You know what we should do? Spray paint the cap.
Yeah. Why are you spray painting the cap?
Because it will look weird. Let me go get some more gloves and I'll be right back. Just wait.
So he is back now.
Get some gloves.
And we're not hydro dipping the cap.
So
we
we can
just spray
actually-
painting this.
So
super cool.
move the bearings like up here so it doesn't get spray painted. So yes, my fingers are purple. Mom, my fingers are purple because I forgot to put it on when I sprayed it in.
So how are we going to do it? Like half and half?
No.
Purple?
We're doing a cool thing. Okay, so let's put like some gloves under the cap.
You probably just need one.
2 just in case. Okay.
Now, I'm gonna wear mine.
Yeah, I'd put a glove on. We probably need to shake these up a lot better. Okay, so you're gonna go check on the caps, make sure they're drying, or the fidget spinner, and watch, make sure they're drying. And since I only have one cap, I'm just gonna do one. This is fast drying, so it shouldn't take long. Okay, so I'm gonna wait for him to come over. Is it drying? Let's wait a little more, like 5 more minutes. Let's just wait like 5 more minutes. Okay. You want to flip it over to make sure it dries on the bottom? Okay, so I'm going to move this to see if you guys can see it. Like, you guys can kind of see it. Like, right there. Okay. So, put your glove on, and I'd watch
If I can get it.
I'd watch out. So what we're gonna do is called splatter paint. So first we spray paint the fidget spinner purple. Let's move it higher. That should be good. Whoops. Shoot. I just dropped it. Let's spray paint it a little more. There we go. Okay.
Well, now the table's pretty much a little purple.
Just a little. It's like marker. Okay.
Marker purple.
And
Blue.
next.
I want.
Hold it. No. Okay, shake it up.
It looks like I'm doing it super fast.
Yeah.
Make some noise.
It's getting drier already, like, dang. Here, don't touch it. The black's, it's coming off. Let's just do one more thing of purple. Like, a quick go, like, bam. No. So, this is what splatter paint is. Here, I'll wait till it dries just a little more. I'm gonna go check on the... Can you pause the video?
Yeah.
Okay, this is gonna take a lot more longer than we think, so this is what splatter did. Splatter paint. Watch out. I'll let you try. Spray paint your finger just a little. Just a little. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, the blue isn't working. We're like dropping dips on it.
Mm-hmm. You wanna try it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Dips.
Yeah, let's do your regular.
No.
Move it over here.
Coming on.
And then just flick it like bam. We need a little more. Whoa, mister. Okay, flip it, switch. Here. You want to do it like that, like karate ninja.
Okay.
I need a little more.
I can do it.
Jeez. Okay, here. Let's spray a little more on yours. You ready? Okay, now, karate.
Hiya, 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 ha.
You're trying to do it. Okay, so don't touch it. Okay, whoa, okay. That looked cool. Okay, so
Like a shade of blue on
when
it.
you take yours off, Reese, flip it like that, okay?
Got the
Where's that bag?
bag?
Yeah,
I don't know.
plastic bag.
Oh, found it! I win. I get the I get the fidget spinner and you get the watch.
Very funny. Okay, I'm not gonna take that off. Let's throw the stuff away that we need to throw away.
That or that.
There we go. Put that in there. Okay, we will be back in a little bit. Okay, guys, so we're back messing with the bearings right now. You ready? Just don't get in the straight thing. So, the fidget spinner and watch, not almost done. But, yeah, this is pretty fun. Isn't that fun?
It's so close to going into this thing. Oh my! Okay, it didn't get any on it. I think screw I didn't see that coming.
That's why you spin it this way. Oh.
Not doing it, sucker.
Okay, so
Just kind of like start pulling at it and stuff. So right there. It's rolling. I landed it.
is it Rolling Thunder from Call of Duty?
No, I landed it. I landed it like that.
That's cool.
Dab.
Don't dab. Yeah, that's how you dab. This. Okay. Okay. So that stuff
It's
should be
rolling.
done.
Dang it. Rolling Thunder. How do you do
Do you even
that?
know what Rolling Thunder is?
Nope.
Kill Streak from Call of Duty.
Kill streak?
Yeah, it's horrible though. Okay. So
I landed it.
Mr. Charizard, I heard you wanted some blue hair.
No.
No? You want me to? Come on, let's do it.
No.
Just the tips.
No.
I'm messing. No, what's that one guy's name?
Mac? No.
Why did who? I forgot. No. Who did we do the legendary video with? Not his real name.
Diamond Boy.
Yeah, that's it, Diamond Boy. I heard Diamond Boy wanted some blue hair. Should we go give it to him?
Yeah.
Okay. You want a blue tongue? Dude, it will be awesome.
No, it won't. I do not want to eat spray paint.
Okay, so now we are actually gonna hydro dip my phone. No, we're not. I was like,
Oh my god.
I'm gonna go check on that, and I'll be with you guys in a second. Okay, guys, we're back. Okay, so we got the watch and the fidget spinner body parts, like the body. And so
far it looks dry and it feels pretty dry.
we are gonna start putting in all the bearings. This is the main bearing right here.
Those.
Why is it not going so fast? There. Okay.
The cap, I think, is done.
The cap is almost done. So let's put it in, guys.
No, yeah.
Ready?
I just got some on me.
Ha!
Can you get it back in?
Maybe. I think it needs to go on the other side.
It's almost in. I think that's
It's all the way in. Yep, it's all the way in.
Fya.
It's not gonna go that fast. Okay. So guys, it works. So let's like push it all the way in. Okay.
Dry?
Almost, yeah. Like it's not getting on my fingers.
Yeah, it's not. But I just got some black.
So let's start putting in all the
It's
other
like
berm.
water.
Well, it's going in good. You got to put it in straight. Make
I
sure
can
it's
put
straight.
it in.
Here, you do that one. Make sure it's straight.
Is it going in?
It's not straight. You see, it has to be straight.
So that's straight.
Here, let me see it. Let me see it. Oh, this looks so cool.
It's hard to put it in. There.
There you go.
Meh.
Here, I got it. I'll finish it
No.
off. Yeah. You want to put, is your watch fully dry?
I think so.
Can this move around? Yeah. It's not fully dry, but it will be soon.
This looks super cool.
That spins really good. Dang.
I feel like you should take it to school tomorrow.
Yeah. Oh, the cap's not fully dry? Yeah, it is. It's almost. Like, it's still sticky. So that's the only cap I got. And there we go, guys. This is my fidget spinner hydro dipped. Okay, so we're going to take it inside real quick so you guys can see what it actually looks like. Okay, guys, so we're back. And the sun is still back there. See if I can get over there. So it's this color, that purple-ish kind of color, and that blue. It looks pretty cool. And there's his watch. So yeah.
far, it looks really good.
Yeah, it looks really cool. Really cool. So thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe and like. And stay tuned. See ya.